और फातिमा सना शेख भी एक रोमांटिक फिल्म लेकर आ रहे हैं जिसका नाम है आप जैसा कोई नहीं। वहीं इसकी भी अनाउंसमेंट आज यहाँ पर हुई है।
हेलो।
हाय।
आप कैसी हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ और आप?
ठीक हूँ।
काफ़ी टाइम हो गया ना हमें बात करते करते। हमें मिलना चाहिए, है ना?
हाँ, मतलब मिल तो सकते हैं, लेकिन कब?
जो काम अभी करना है उसमें देरी क्यों? अभी मिलते हैं ना। शुड आई कम?
आ जाइए। हाय।
हाय। ¿Cómo se va?
क्या हुआ?
French for how are you? Nervous?
नहीं, बस वो जितना मैंने सोचा था, जितना आप फोन पे लग रही थी, उससे कहीं ज्यादा खूबसूरत हैं आप। एक्चुअली सच तो ये कि हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मैंने कुछ 2 या 3 रोमांटिक फिल्में की हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं। और वो इसलिए क्योंकि मैं एज अप्रोप्रिएट रोमांस के खोज में था। जब मुझे ये कहानी मिली, मुझे लगा कि इससे अच्छा मौका नहीं मिलेगा एक रोमांटिक स्टोरी करने का। प्लस आई वाज गेटिंग टू वर्क विद द किंग ऑफ रोमांस production house, Dharma, as well as this very beautiful, gorgeous and wonderful co-star to work with, Fatima, and my director, who has made the whole experience of shooting something like this so pleasant that I'm very grateful that I'm part of this film.
It's Vivek's work. I have read the script and I was completely in awe of it. Every moment is really, really special. It's something that I completely related to. Then it's Dharma, Karan, and of course Maddie. मतलब कौन ऐसा इंसान है जिसके ऊपर उनके ऊपर क्रश नहीं होगा?
To make the chemistry stand out, basically all started from the story, which Radhika wrote it, and the screenplay was written by Radhika and Jehan both. So कहानी में एक वो खूबसूरत बात थी कि there was an age gap, and it had a lot of honesty and warmth, which the story had. And in terms of the take on the romance was very beautiful. This about these 2 unique individuals who come from different age groups and different backgrounds. So a lot was already there. So when all 3 of us came together, the idea was just to make it more personal. I guess when I mean that's what I told all my HODs कि हम बस ये जहन में रखें कि बस हर एक मोमेंट जो हम बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उसको पर्सनल कैसे बना पाएं, and that was a broader brief.
तो ये पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से बनाई थी या मतलब
नहीं, पर्सनल इन टर्म्स ऑफ देखो क्या है, द फिल्म टॉक्स अबाउट रिलेशनशिप के अंदर एक कंपेनियनशिप होती है, अकेलापन होता है, ये सारे पहलू तो होते ही हैं, और ये वो इमोशंस हैं जो हमने अपने जीवन की किसी न किसी अंतराल में महसूस किए ही हैं।
एब्सोल्युटली।
सो देन हाउ डू यू पुट इट आउट देयर सो दैट द पर्सन हु इज वाचिंग इट आल्सो फील्स इट कि नहीं यार ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है।
पुलकित सम्राट और दिव्येंदु भी आने वाले फिल्म ग्लोरी में नजर आएंगे। बॉलीवुड के साथ साथ साउथ इंडस्ट्री भी यहाँ पर कमाल मचाने वाली है, क्योंकि कीर्ति सुरेश की अक्का भी इसी साल रिलीज होगी।
First of all, good evening to everyone, and thank you so much Netflix for having us here. It's an honor to be here, and thank you so much Yash Raj Films. This wouldn't have happened without you. And Akka is an entirely different world that you wouldn't have seen before. It is about a lot of powerful women coming together. And to your question, I know I have that little innocent smile, but I think it's because of my director, Dharmaraj Shetty. This is his debut, but trust me, when you watch this show, you will know that he doesn't come across like a debutant. And we have Radhika Apte playing a very important role, and unfortunately she's not here. Would have loved to have her here. I just can't wait for you all to witness this world of Akka.
Actually, I'm from Mangalore, so Bangalore is historically known for the matriarchal society. So, and these women are women I grew up with. You know, it's my grandmother, my sister, my mother. So obviously all that put together and throw some spice of gangster. So.
नेटफ्लिक्स पर बहुत जल्द राना नायडू का भी सीजन 2 आएगा। भाई आप तो जानते ही हैं कि चाचा भतीजा की जोड़ी यानी कि राणा दगुपति और वेंकटेश फिर एक बार लौट कर आ रहे हैं। लेकिन इनकी सीरीज में एक बात नहीं है, क्योंकि भाई इस सीरीज में हो गई है अर्जुन रामपाल की धमाकेदार एंट्री, जो लेकर आएंगे कहानी में ढेर सारे हंगामे।
माँ की किरकिरी, बैगन की बात नको कर। मैं बदला ना कैसे? अनुलोम विलोम करके। I think it's the Rana Naga saga.
More surprises, more shocks.
Wow.
And more big stars.
Ooh, okay. Yeah,
It's pretty good, right?
That's pretty good. You have Arjun Rampal. You have my view. Yeah.
Well, for one thing, this time it goes well beyond the father-son conflict that we had in the first season. It goes into a lot many more spaces. We have an absolute wild card in the, in the garb of Arjun Rampal doing his character. So the way to balance it, the drama and the action was to add a lot more drama and a lot more action.
क्या बात
And then, still pack it in.
Nice.
Well, if you compare season 1 and 2, season 1 was like a walk in the park compared to season 2. This one gets bloodier, meaner
Oh, wow.
in every way possible.
जी नेटफ्लिक्स, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, शुभ संध्या। नेटफ्लिक्स की टीम से इंटरनली जो अब तक पता चला है कि सीज़न 1 से सीज़न 2 बेहतर हुआ है।
वाओ।
सो हम सब इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो रिएक्शन टीम से मिला है, आने वाले दिनों में जब दर्शक लोग इसको देखेंगे उनकी भी रिएक्शन ऐसी ही रहेगी, बस यही उम्मीद है। और आप लोगों की ब्लेसिंग्स चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Prasenjit sir, for you, what is the one thing that stands out in the Khaki, the Bengal chapter?
Well, good evening. I think the most important thing for Bengal, let me be very honest, I've been working for last 40 years in Bangla cinema, and Jeet is working for more than 22 years. We haven't done any film as such, but we both are coming together, and Netflix, Khaki, Bengal is a big thing for Bengali audience.
Wow,
and I think,
absolutely great, Dada.
I think it's Netflix, Neeraj, and the entire team. They have done a super work, and I'm really, really, really grateful that to be part of this particular show. So I think we are all looking forward for our Khaki Bengal chapter. Yeah, thank you so
We
much.
all are really, really
Yeah, I'm
excited for that.
I want to make sure that I welcome the producer of Khaki, the Bengal chapter, Sheetal Bhatia, and the directors Debatma Mandal and Tushar Kanti Ray.
ढेर सारी मिस्ट्री,
हाँ।
बहुत सारा थ्रिल और उससे भी ज्यादा सवाल।
Firstly, by casting these guys,
Good one.
So,
and what you just spoke about actually is a USP of our show, which is realism and elements of fantasy within this realism. So that's what we have tried to achieve, and fingers crossed, I hope we have managed to do it.
It's an absolute pleasure to be here, and thank you for having us. Coming to your question, the emotional core of our characters and the world they inhabit is deeply rooted in reality. तो वो एकदम real है. लेकिन the circumstances and the mystery that we have thrown them in, that's above the ordinary. तो वो लाइन जब ब्लर हुई है उसके कारण आप जैसे देखेंगे जब परतें खुलेंगी, so that is where the thrill and the fun will lie.
In everybody's life, there comes a moment when you know you have to be the hero. And there comes a moment of sacrifice also when you know you have to be the villain. And I don't think anybody in the world is not left with this choice.
Being decided as a hero or villain isn't in the hands of the person who you're asking. It's in the hands of the people who perceive that person. Aap achhe ho ya bure ho, the person on the other side has to tell you. It's context. So you can just be yourself and hope that you end up the hero at the end.
I mean, having my best friends work with me on my first film, who are extremely talented, they bring their craft because this film needed that, and brilliant professionals, and then Netflix coming here, taking this and making and taking this to the world, just got lucky.
क्या बात है यार.
If you're looking for other best friend,